The fill functionality can be accessed by pressing the more button here and then fill. And the way fill works is that this is the view of the AI again for the fill functionality. And whatever is inside this view and empty will be filled with whatever you write here. So it can be used to both fill things in the image, and it can also be used to extend an image. So let's start by filling out these trees right here. I want it to just be beach. So we're gonna fill that area with sand, beach. And there we go. It's now processing. While we're waiting for that to process, we can also extend the image to the side. And the same principle works there. So we're going to write what we want to fill this area with. And here it's pretty simple. It's beach, ocean, waves. And let's send that one as well. Here we go. We got our image back. And as you can see, when I press the image, the outline moves automatically to where it was filled. And this is to ensure that when you're filling a lot of images and all this moving, the outline around, you want to make sure that the image gets placed at its correct position. So when you, as you can see, when we press an image, it will automatically move the outline view to the position. So now that we have our image, we can simply drag and drop it, or we can press Add Canvas and it gets added automatically to its position. And it's the same with the image, which is the extension. We simply press it and add Canvas and it happens automatically. Now, there's one thing of using the fill function to do this. However, with the rapid changes in AI and technological progress, actually the edit function can do a lot of similar things and sometimes in even a lot higher quality, which creates a very interesting way to use visually. As there is no right way to use it. It is something that can be experimented with and discover a lot of new ways to create things. So for example, let's take this right here. We're just going to delete this area. And we're actually going to write, fill the blank area with palm trees. Extend the image to the right and fill the blank area with greenery and palm trees. We're going to send this to the AI. You can also send generate multiple images at once. You can also send multiple of these requests. They're all being processed simultaneously. But we're just going to wait for the results here. And there we go. We can add this back to the canvas. And as you can see, the edit function did a pretty good job of filling the image and adding the stuff like you want it.